RedBridge. So let's give a warm welcome to Andre Scott from RedBridge.
Hi, my name is Andre, and I'm here to introduce Affectli, distributed by RedBridge Managed Services. Affectli is a digital transformation platform manufactured by MIC3 International, brought to you by RedBridge Managed Services. RedBridge is committed to delivering the best-in-class IoT business solutions in partnership with MTN. Affectli is the flagship product of our manufactured partner based in Europe, MIC3 International, and has been in the market for some 12 years. It's an award-winning platform that is ETOMS, SOC 2, and GDPR compliant, as well as ISO certified. The Affectli platform is an incredibly versatile, intelligent, powerful business operating system and digital transformation solution for any organization looking to improve risk management, increase innovation, and make meaningful data-driven decisions. It has a unique combination of fully integrated features that enables businesses to harness the power of their data and generate efficiencies which result in rapid return on investment. Affectli has been successfully proven at scale geographically, as well as within a number of complex industries and challenging operation environments. And today, we're here to present Affectli as an effective IoT business solution within the mining sector.
RedBridge's Affectli offering is a cutting-edge operational efficiency solution that provides for big data analytics and digitized process automation. Combining science and technology through artificial intelligence and contextual collaboration to monitor and predict behavior, while collecting data from IoT endpoints and feeding a real-time response onto your own secure cloud platform. This multi-tenancy solution is designed for seamless, dynamic information sharing and enables strategic collaboration across all areas of the organization's ecosystem, while bringing disparate systems together seamlessly to deliver a single pane of glass into the organization in real time, and in doing so, it provides meaningful intelligence to support business decisions. A strong permissions feature ensures definitive controls and access to information, and business processes can be digitized with the user-friendly low-code, no-code, drag-and-drop app designer tool. As a standard feature of Affectli, we collaborate with our customers to create digital twins of their organization by applying semantic ontologies for an effective, real-time overview of the environment. This enables the organization to drill down into granular detail that provides critical information from all systems, devices, and data. Affectli is a platform that delivers fully integrated features in its composable architecture that support efficient change management, coupled with the ability to provide superior process compliance within the organization. The world's largest gold mining company began commercial production in 2006 in Ghana, at a site situated in a remote area of the region, approximately 300 kilometers northwest from the national capital city of Accra. The site includes operating both surface and underground mines, and is where Affectli was successfully implemented. By enabling the client to consolidate data from their assets into a single control room, they were able to successfully manage people, equipment, and components within their operations by ensuring they have access to meaningful, contextual real-time data that is dispatched to the right people at the right time. This information also provides the mine management with the ability to calculate and predict the organization's productivity. Key to this success was the ability to take into account and effectively convert measurements of labor to product output productivity, equipment to product output productivity, geological conditions, operating time and delays, declining all quality, and investment in equipment, as well as purchasing of consumables. Here's how we achieved this. The Affectli platform was used to capture multiple live CCTV feeds that are folded into the GIS infrastructure of the system. This allows the control room to drill down from maps, blueprints, and technical drawings. Having the ability to collect data in real time and analyze equipment and macro data, Affectli has completely transformed the mining operation, because connected solutions are what transforms operations and improve worker safety. One of the technical challenges that the industry faces is the retrieval of mining operations and plant production data from a plethora of systems and equipment. Consolidation of this data into a single dashboard in order to visualize actual production versus budget is challenging if done manually, and it often happens that an operator is unable to pinpoint where in their value chain the oil has gone missing. In addition to these problems, a lack of real data makes it difficult to improve labor and equipment efficiencies. The Affectli platform is overlaid onto existing infrastructure without any downtime, and includes the integration of various subsystems such as conveyor belt weight-o-meters, plant SCADA, drone technology, wave bridge, and geofencing that work in conjunction with CCTV live feeds and vehicle tracking devices. Signals and data are ingested into the data management system, where it is then managed and transformed into meaningful data. The business impact of connecting Affectli to a mining operation is priceless. Affectli gives the client the ability to see mass flow, production figures, and dispatch amounts in real time. This enables accurate and timely decision-making, all at the simple click of a button, anywhere, on any device, and at any time. By implementing an effective digital transformation solution like Affectli that is agile and scalable, as well as device and system agnostic, these tools provide an organization with smart technology and connected systems that are the very foundation for business efficiency.
The problem being faced in the mining sector today is a lack of visibility of what's being monitored on the site, what is the relationship between those things, and also who's responsible for that thing. A very reactive scenario is being followed today instead of a proactive scenario. Now, what I'm going to show you today on the Affectli platform is how we bring that information to the fingertips of the user to be able to make that judgment call at that very important moment, giving them all that pertinent information to be able to make that judgment call. Within the Affectli platform, from a maps point of view, I would be able to go into my layers and I could first of all say, show me my people. By doing that, I get presented with all the people that's being tracked, because we can track a person on Affectli and any device that's running Affectli on that device. So hovering over that person, I get an idea of who's the person. By clicking on it, I get a matrix breakdown of where does this person fit into my organization. What is he responsible for? And this guard in this instance is responsible for the biometrics reader. But I get all the live readings from what is his first aid training, is he armed, how long has he been on duty, and what's his communication method. But the same method that I do that, I could also go and say, show me all the things that's being monitored on the site. And immediately I get presented with all the live devices that's firing off into the Affectli platform. All of these disparate things on one pane of glass. I could hover over any one of these things and see that it's a water meter, it's a security fence, it's a conveyor belt. And by one click on that thing, I get given the live information of that specific thing from one click on a map. So I can see the live readings, whatever it is. And I can do this with anything on the site. This is one way that we can monitor all the information and start clicking through specific things and getting the information. Another way that we can do that is actually click on the profile of the mine. We can see that there's a description, all the things that's being monitored on that mine, everything from conveyor belts, security fences, scary vehicles, scary cameras, water meters, what is the relationship or the people that's connected to the site, and also who's the property of it and what incidents is running at the moment. What we can then do is jump into the profile of that mine, have a look at the granular information about this mine. I can open up the chat. I can see all the layers and all the documentation that's saved against the profile of this mine. But what I could also do is go into the children's view and start clicking through these specific things, and you could see exactly where it is, what attachments linked to it, and what's the live readings that's coming from these things. Everything from water meters to the security fences, down to the security vehicles. All the live readings, who's the driver, what's the license plate numbers, all of these things firing off live in real time into the platform. Now, once these devices fire into the platform, it comes through as an event on the events monitor, and this gives the user the ability to manually kick off a process or action that event. And the events monitor gives enough information for the user to understand exactly what's going on. So it's a site down, it's a power-related issue, and from here the user's got the ability to either acknowledge, discard, or kick off a process if they so wanted to. Once the user kicks off that process, that event gets flipped over into a task, and it lies within somebody's A box as a ticket for somebody to go and do something specific. So once you go into the A box, you see all of your tasks, and this is what you concentrate on for the day. How do we build these processes and these apps that I'm talking about? Within the Affectli platform, we've got the Affectli designer, and this is where you map out, it's a low-code, no-code environment where you drag and drop and map out a specific process. What we're looking at here is a specific process that a client's outlined. It's an asset movement process. And what we do is we link this to an event, and we can either completely automate that event and kick off the process, or the user's got the ability to kick it off manually from the events monitor. Now, what we can do in this process engine is we can also design digital forms where a client can capture information to update the database so that we can pull these reports. From this form builder, I can come and I can drag and drop any type of device that I want the form to give to me. I can tell the guy, answer this, select from a drop-down menu there. And as I'm dragging and dropping, the system is writing the code for you in the background. Once you've designed this process, it's lying within your app store, and you can digitize any single process within the platform and link it to any device. So a true end-to-end scenario from monitoring all the devices, putting on a single pane of glass, designing a process to kick off, and having that process kick off, and having nobody get involved if they don't need to. So a complete end-to-end solution when it comes to mining.